Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the FastAPI. Today we are going to learn how to show the weather with the search functionality. So basically weather app we are going to build in this video with the FastAPI. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's open the Python project. So here we have the Python. Let's open with the terminal and let's go with the code. Okay, let's comment the previous code, view word wrap, and here we go with this one. Okay, let's scroll down and let's add the code. So this is our code for the fast API. Okay, let's add this. Now we have to go with the templates. So we have to create the templates. So first of all, index.html, I need to paste it. So this is the index.html with the search button. Okay, type this, enter your city name, right? Next we have to go with the data weather.html. Let's create that one also, where we are showing the data. So in the templates we have to create a new file again and just add the code over here. Okay, everything is done. Let's run this. Something went wrong. Import https. Okay, let's import this. No, sorry, import https in this line module. Where I am using it, is it required? Let's try to run again. Okay, so let's open this URL and let's go to the OpenWeather API also. OpenWeather API, let's go with that one, and here we go with, because here we require the API key. Sign in. I hope so my account is there somewhere. I don't know. Let's try. Invalid. Let's last try. Developer 993 at the rate gmail.com. Admin 3 shift hash. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let's go to the API keys. My API keys over there. So this is my key that I need to copy this and use it in our project. So here we go with our OpenWeather API key, and the endpoints we will cross verify. Okay, and the API doc. API dot weather, here we have expecting this one. Okay, this is the different one, API weather open AI. So here they are asking for the um, 2.5/weather. If we check with Control F, 2.5. Okay, let's match the API endpoint. It's gonna be a 3.0, but I think this, how to let here we can, let's use this one whatever we have. Okay, Jinja templates we have already installed, right? Let's move to the code. So here open the link. So search the city. Suppose I want to check with the Mohali city. right? Search internal server error. What exactly? Let's have a look. HTTPX is not defined. Okay, I think that for the request is there. Just give me a second. What they're trying to so basically we have to install the package, that is pip install httpx, and then we can import it from here. Okay, so that's the thing, because we're calling that one, right? Save this. Let's go and run this. Unable to connect. Okay, let's reload this. Let's add the city Mohali and search. Temperature is 25 and something, and the clear sky. Okay, here you can see it. So we will check the today temperature. Today Mohali temperature, weather. Let's have a look what exactly it says. That is 38 degrees Celsius, weather Friday partially cloudy. And here you can see that the 25 degrees Celsius. This is for the this one. Let's add the city full-fledged. Let's have a look. Back to the search. Let's add the city. Okay, here is the city is not found. Okay, let's add the Punjab. 26 scattered clouds. Here you can see. Okay, so you can use the weather API, and here we have the calls also. If you want to send the latitude, longitude, and the time and the API key, so you can use this also. Okay, and we have here you can just calculate. I use this API, right? So here we have lat and the long. If I put the lat and long, it will give me the response of that one, time zone and everything. So the documentation is already there. Okay, weather data for the time staying, other features, API errors, so everything is there. Just use this one. Let's dive into the code level. How have we used that one? So the for we are using the fast API, so import fast API and use the request HTTP exception on the fast API. Then responses for the HTML response, Jinja templates, HTTPX. Okay, for calling that API endpoints. So here you can see that API key base URL we have defined. The template we are using the directory templates. Okay, so the get read. So this is a endpoint of the root path. So here we are just rendering the template, that is index.html with the request. Okay, now we have a weather API for the get the weather. So here we have a city API ID, API key, and the matrix. Okay, so async with HTTPS client as client, so we have to call the API. So here you can see client dot get the base URL with the params. Okay, and if the response status is 200, then we are going to sending the data, that is city, temperature, and the weather. Return the templates, that is weather.html. That's it. Okay, for the weather data, so which template I'm using. So basically here what we are trying to do is just calling the weather API and sending the params over here. If the status code is 200, then we are going to manipulate the data and send the data in the object with the template weather data. Okay, if I go to the weather data, here you can see that we have weather data dot city, weather data dot temperature, weather data dot weather. Okay, and all of the information that we sent from the main is like this one, weather data. Okay, so you can use that information and show that into your template file, right? Nothing much big on that. Any issue, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day, and this is your index file. Okay, so thank you so much. Have a great day.